Alright, so we found this amazing rock to flip.
On the
but
worst spot possible.
There is one little bit of a catch.
Yeah.
And that is that if we mess up,
we die.
We are going all the way down there. Yeah, we're on the edge here. You know, I just realized. Yeah, we can't flip it.
This was all for nothing.
You should have known my ideas are always all for nothing.
I called it.
It is attached. Crap. God, that is terrifying.
Yeah.
Be a place to find a timber though.
One of these cliff faces.
That would be intense. Look at this. We are up here.
Yeah. All honesty. Centipedes and heights. The two things I'm terrified
And ants. And ants.
No.
Let's address the ant issue.
Shut it. Okay, time to jump down.
No, because there's no getting back up. We can go down that way. Alright. Will we find a way down here?
I think so.
Oh wow.
We'll find a way.
You've been here before, sir.
But I haven't done this.
Well, you're welcome. Alright, well, let's flip this since we're here. We better find something freaking cool. Baby slimy.
Hey, worth it.
Right there.
Oh, there's two.
There's two?
Yeah.
There is two. Another baby slimy.
Of course, on the cliff side, we start finding something.
Yeah. You guys gotta go where no person usually goes for these herps in order to find them.
People only come up here to get drunk. They're not looking for herbs.
How do they not fall? I love that we came out here because it's a perfect spot to show you guys like
Timbers.
well, not only timbers will be up in here, but what I'm thinking is cave salamanders, possibly slimies, copperheads. Holy crap. I need that backpack. I need my flashlight.
Jason, we need the flashlight.
Just throw my whole backpack down here. Buddy? Jason! See this cliff right here? There is right
Freaking black rats.
right there is a black rat snake. And one already went down this thing. Right there is a black rat snake. And so what I'm gonna do, that's where we came down at. So I'm gonna cross over there where that tree is. And I'm going to try to grab him.
Dude.
While Lucas films the whole entire thing. Alright, so I'm right here, and right below me, there's apparently two. So what I'm gonna do is wing it. Oh God.
Nate, please don't do it.
Hey man, don't fall yet. I gotta pee.
Alright.
I really suggest not doing this.
It's too far to reach.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's too far. Definitely too far.
Maybe we should get the snake hook and come back.
Wow, the one day you don't have your fucking snake hook. So you always bring your snake hook, Lucas.
That's gonna be his final words.
It's too far.
Dude, no. There
Don't
is no
do
way.
it. It's too far, man. Honestly, you'd have better luck shimmying across there and getting it than that.
You think?
Oh God, why did I mention it?
Definitely a higher bet shimming.
Yeah.
Yeah?
This is definitely the better way to do it. Because at least then you could have a grip up here.
Alright, that's what we'll do. You can turn it off.
Actually, I think...
No, don't do it.
Yeah, I'm not doing it.
So here you can see where this snake is at. And he is
but no help nowhere near them.
There's no way to actually get to them
From up there.
from up there.
From down there, from up there, from anywhere.
You'll have a better chance from down here.
Maybe. You see that? You see what I'm talking about? The face?
Thing is though, if you spread your feet apart like a penguin and just shimmy across, you still have handholds on top.
It's true. That's almost more nerve-wracking. Oh, that's a lot. I'd rather do that.
This is the safer way.
Well, where there's one, there's more.
There's two.
I know, where there's two, there's more. Dang it. Alright, let's go find another one.
There's papers here.
Good.
Ow! Whoop! What are you doing?
Why are you backing up when we're on a cliff?
Because why not?
Never do
Okay.
anything like that. Seriously.
I'm going to. I do it all the time.
Unless you have a harness or you're Jordan.
Oh yeah, don't. You guys don't do it. I can do it because I'm dumb.
Yeah, I was telling the viewers.
Oh, I thought you were telling me again.
No.
I'm like, God, Mom. So we found a great spot for timbers.
And we've seen two black rats.
We've seen two black
Well,
rats. Three because there was one up there and that. But I mean, coming out here on a sunny day, all these crevices right here, you talk about good for some timbers. Yeah, today is definitely a success. Found some tin. We found a new timber spot.
We found a ring neck. We found a
Found
couple.
Almost had a black rat snake. Oh. And we made it back to a trail. Holy crap.
After a climb.
Yeah.
Good time. I'm not coming with you.
That climb whooped my butt. Hey, horse frogs.
Yeah. Let's check the secret pond.
Now let's see where the heck we are.
Alright guys, that's going to do it for today. If you're brand new, don't forget to subscribe and check out one of the videos on the other side. And turns out, I went back and watched that footage that there was actually a black racer and a black rat snake right there. And we saw an additional black rat snake that went down one of the sides.
Look.
We are going to try to come out here either tomorrow or the next day, hit up that same spot, and then just hopefully get those racers and rat snakes. So we'll see what's going on with it. But anyway, love you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. All right, Lucas, show the internet how you can skip a rock. Woo! Good enough.